I predicted it this morning. The rose-breasted grosbeak. Oh my God, he's back. He's back. He's back. Oh, he's so beautiful. What if it's one that's been here before? Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Aggressive little things. I don't know if this is one that's been here before. I don't think so. But sure is happy to have found this feeder. That means it'll stick around for a few days. Look at it. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. How beautiful is that? How beautiful. This is so rare. This is absolutely so rare. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh goodness, look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, how beautiful. It's the most beautiful rose-breasted grosbeak I've ever seen, I believe. He's so beautiful. He's got the most beautiful full colors and such a dark black head, and he's feisty. He's feisty as can be. He's so inquisitive. The way he moves his head around, oh, he's so beautiful. He's got that little bit of black. Of course, he's not one of the ones that's been here before, because that was over 10 years ago, but might be like a descendant of one. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. This little thing is so beautiful. Look at him, so beautiful. Oh, so gorgeous. Rare, very rare bird for Arizona. Just like once every 10 years do we see one of these. That means something's good is happening in the climate or the environment for us to get one of these. Oh my goodness, how beautiful, how beautiful.